The 2022 Ford Maverick wraps a lot of big truck ideas into a fun-size pickup package. It's not a replacement for the Ranger or the F-150, but instead the Maverick appeals to buyers that want the flexibility of a truck without giving up the economy and comfort of a crossover. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research Ford, and then select Maverick. We make it easy to find what you want fast. Only available as a 4-door with a 4.5-foot bed, there are 2 powertrain options in the Maverick. Either a front-wheel drive hybrid that gets up to 42 miles to the gallon, or go with what we have here, a turbocharged 4-cylinder making up to 250 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. The EcoBoost Turbo can be had in either front or all-wheel drive trim. With all-wheel drive, it still manages a respectable 22 miles to the gallon in the city and 29 on the highway. Though the Maverick starts at about $20,000, moving to higher-priced options includes a number of great options. The Lariat we have here has upgraded gauges and infotainment, 8-way power-adjustable seats covered in Active X synthetic material, dual-zone climate control, and an optional B&O sound system. Adding the Fx4 package gives the Maverick a much more adventurous disposition. This package adds skid plates, a transmission cooler, front tow hooks, and available all-terrain tires. And the Maverick can handle a hefty 4,000 pounds when optioned with all-wheel drive and the tow package. This includes a hitch, brake controller, and the necessary cooling to make any towing task easy. Our test vehicle is a Lariat with luxury package, painted Area 51 blue. It also has the Fx4 and towing packages. This prices it out to $35,715 US, including destination. The bed may be small, but it's very well thought out. Our tester included spray-in bed liner, plus AC power and lighting. Payload tops out at about 1,500 pounds. Ford's Copilot 360 system is standard on all trim levels. This adds auto high beams, rear view camera, and pre-collision assist with auto braking. Enhancements such as blind spot warning, lane departure, and lane centering, as well as adaptive cruise with lane centering, are available on select trims. The interior cabin features a design that is unique to the Maverick. It's spacious and well thought out, with innovative materials incorporating recycled carbon fiber. The second row fits 2 adults comfortably. Driving the Maverick is more like a crossover than a truck, as the Maverick is built on a unibody platform similar to the underpinnings of the Bronco Sport. That means it has available multi-link suspension in the back, so even brisk driving can be rewarding. Several drive modes are available to the driver. With the Fx4 package, Sport and Eco are replaced with mud and sand modes, making this a truly flexible and capable vehicle for fun or work. If you give this one a test drive, you might just be surprised at how much you like it. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Ford dealer today.